Hello, guys. First of all, let me use this opportunity to wish all of you a happy new year. We are so lucky to make it to 2021, and we are grateful to God for making it possible. Today, our lecture series today, our topic will be um, 5 number summary, how to calculate them, and then draw a box plot if it is required. So let me share my screen with you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, hope you can see me very well. All right. So I say it's going to be a 5 number summary and box plot. Now, a 5 number summary, excuse me, simply means the type of descriptive statistics that include minimum, first quartile, median. Median is also called the second quartile, of course, you know that. Third quartile and maximum. So each time you are asked to calculate, you are given a data set, you're asked to find the 5 number summary. All you need to do is to find the minimum value, first quartile, Q1, which is the first quartile, Q2, which is the second quartile, okay, median. Some people they call it median. Then third quartile, Q3, which is the third quartile, and then the maximum value, So you can see that there are 5 of them in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what they call it, the 5 number summary. Of course, you know that the first quartile is the first 25%, which is it is one of the 25th percentile. Okay, 25th percentile. And that the second quartile, which is the median, is the same as the 50th percentile. Okay, and the third quartile is the same as the 75%, okay, or the 75th percentile. So now, so when you find all this, that means you have answered the question of finding the 5 number summary. So it's a way we use to describe data set. By finding these 5 numbers, will help us to have a picture, or to give a picture of the center and the spread of the data set. Okay. Now a box plot simply means a method that we can use graphically to describe our data set using the quartiles. Now let's see how this works. This question says, a stockbroker recorded a number of clients he saw each day over an 11-day period. The data are shown here. You can see the data here. On some day, the first day he saw 33 clients. Second day, 38 clients, and so on and so forth. So now it says identify the 5-number summary and construct a box plot to represent this data. The first thing we do is to arrange this data set in ascending order. That means from smallest to largest. Then after that, we can now calculate, we can now find our minimum value, calculate Q1, Q2, Q3, and then find our maximum value. So I have already arranged them here. You can see the arrangement here. Now we are ready to calculate the quartile. So from here, so what we need here is the minimum value. Okay, minimum, which is, now the lowest number there is 23. Okay, now we need to get the first quartile, Q1. Okay, get the Q2. Okay, and the Q3. And the maximum value, we know that from here, maximum is largest number in the list is 51. That's right here, 51. Now let us find it. So in my previous lectures, I showed you how to find the quartiles. I did an example using how to find it using Excel, and also how to find it using a formula. So in this case, we're going to use formula to find it. So the formula, because of the fact that quartiles are also related to the percentage, we're going to use the same formula we used to find the the percentile to find the quartile. So let me take you to the other workbook so that we can put the formula down, and then I'll take you there right now to the other workbook. It's right here. So the formula is this for Q1. Before we do that, let me take you back so that we know what we are trying to do here. Let us find Q1. Okay. For Q1, how many numbers do we have? We have our n equals 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. So 11. So it's supposed to be small n. It's always changing. I don't know why. Then first quartile, we're trying to find Q1. So we could, in that case, it is the first 25%. So it is 25. Sorry, our percentile P will be 25. Because like I explained here, it is the same as the 25th percentile. Okay. With this, we can now go to that page, the other workbook, and then get the first quartile. Then come back here to put the answer in. Okay. So let's go do it. Here I'm taking you to the workbook. The first quartile will now become, okay, I'm going to introduce an equation, Q1. So I have it this way, first quartile, which is Q1, Q1 will be equals, we have it, the formula as, okay, n times P, where P is the percentile over 100. But now it's 100% because the first quartile is the same as the 25th percentile, which is the percentage. Percentage is always over 10, sorry, over 100. So let me make this thing bigger so you can see it properly. So you have it here, putting it in. So our n from the previous example, last page, if you go to this page, which is our other workbook, you see that our n is 11 and P is 25. So I'll take you back to where we are now. So you're going to be 11 times 25 over 100. Excuse me, 100. So now let us get this from using our calculator. Now there's this online calculator that is online, free of charge. It's a scientific calculator. You can even use it to graph. It's called Desmos. I'm going to show you in a minute. Let me write this down. Q1 equals 11 times 25 over 100. So I'll take you to that place so you can put the calculators. The calculator is called Desmos. So let me take you to where we can find Desmos and get our calculation. So anywhere you are in the world, just type in desmos.com/scientific. to give you the free online scientific calculator. So with that, we can now get our values. I got 11 times 25. They close it, divided by 100. Excuse me, mistake. 100. Give me 2.75. I'll write it down. Okay. So now let me take you back to our workbook so I can put the answer in. I got 2.75, which give us so the next. So now this is very important. When you get the decimal number, whether it is even if it is 2.1, so long as it's a decimal, round up to the next number. So here I'm going to round up to 3. See, so that means let me copy this here and paste it in our main workbook. Okay. So this is what we have for our first quartile location number. So here, I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, you can see it. Let me make it a little bit bigger. See? Now, that means that Q1 is the third number. See? The third number. So Q1 becomes the third number, because this number is not the first quartile. It is just the number we use to locate it. The third number is 1, 2, 3, which is 29. So Q1 is 29. So we go here and put 29 for our first answer, 29. So we repeat the same process for the second quartile. When we want to do the second quartile, here we have that our n is still 11. So I'm going to adjust this. Okay. And for the second quartile, P is 50. If you remember, I explained here that it is the same as the 50th percentile. So in this case, our P, okay, is 50. So now let me take you to the other workbook so that we can put in the formula, since we can put in the formula on this workbook. Okay. So we'll take you to that workbook. So like Q2, okay, Q2 is some n times P over 100, which is 11 times 50. Okay, 50 over 100. So I'm gonna clean all this. Okay. So now I'll take it to this mode, but let me write it down. Q2 is 11 times 50 over 100. Okay. So taking you to Desmos, so we can do the calculation. We have it here as 11 times 50. I want to clear this. So you have 11 times 50. Okay, divided by 100. 5.5. That's 5.5. Write this down. So again, go to the next number. I'll take you to the main workbook, to the other workbook, so that you can put an answer in, and then go to the other workbook. The main workbook. 5.5, which round to 6. I mean the sixth number. Okay. See what I mean? And then so I'm gonna copy this and put it on main workbook. Then finish up the work there. Okay. So I have it right here as the sixth number. Just like here, we have the third number. Here it is the sixth number. Okay. So at Q2, well, we go and count the sixth number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 33. Second quartile, 33. 33. So again, repeat the same process to get the third quartile. Again, N is the same thing, which is still the same 11 days. This. And for the top quartile, P is the 75 percentile. So so P is, excuse me, I'll go down a little bit. So that P is the P equals 75. So let us calculate it. I'll take you back to the other workbook. Okay. This here, third quartile. So again, the formula is n times p over 100, which is 11 times, instead of now, I'm going to add 75 here by 100. So I'm going to clear all this. And let's see how far. So now, so I'm going to write this down, go to the decimals and calculate it. The sixth number, 11 times 75 per 100. So I'll take it to decimals so that we can calculate this. Okay. So you're gonna get all this. So it would be third quartile will be 11 times 75 with this divided by 100. 8.25. Now, you know, in algebra, this round to, if you round this, it's going to give you 8. But we are not doing round off here. We're doing round up. So whenever you have a decimal point, decimal number on the side, decimal part, round to the next number, next whole number. Even though in algebra, rounding off can be changes to 8. That's not what we are interested in. You have to go to the next number, okay? So you get 8.25. So let me go and write it down. I'll take you to the workbook. 8.25 is right here. Okay. 8.25, which will run to the 9th number. Again, in algebra, you should have been the 8th number because 2 is not up to 5. So you can't round up to 9. But again, you're not interested in that. We are looking at do you have a decimal part at all? As long as you have a decimal part, run to up to the next number, next whole number, okay? So let me copy this and then put it right there so that we can now begin get our 5-number summary, okay? So I'll paste it right here. So now let us find the 9th number. That will be our third quartile. Okay. So our Q3 will be 9th number. You count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 42. See, 42 is 9 number. 42. Okay, 42. So you have 42 right here. 42. And go to our, this is a 5-number summary right here. 42, 47, 42. And for the top quartile, we got that's Q2 is 33. Okay. So this is a 5-number summary right here. The minimum value is this 23. Q1, Q2, Q1 is 9. So let me summarize it in the down. I'm going to copy this so you can see the 5-number summary right here. The 5-number summary. The 5-number summary is okay. The minimum is 23. Maximum is 51. first quartile, 29, second quartile, 33. So see, these are the, if you count them, like there are 5 of them in number. I'm sure you enjoy this. So now, the question also said construct a box plot. We can always use the 5-number summary to, draw a box plot for the data set. So I will have it here. Again, we have the smallest number to be 3 and the largest to be 51. So this will help us to make the scale. For our box plot, we can use a scale that is stable for us. Since we know that the numbers are smallest is 23 and the largest, we can use a scale of, let's say, 20, 25, 30, until we get to 50. Okay. So I'm going to write the scale right here. All right, 20, because we're going to draw the box plot. 20. Now, if you're using pencil and paper, this is easier. But I'm going to have it here, so I'm going to use it manually. And also, remember, there's one of my lectures where I explain how to use draw a box plot using an online grapher. But that's not what you're doing today. So I'm gonna do this a different way. Okay. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So you can see my drawing might not be look legible enough because remember I'm using a computer. So to draw it freehand, drawing freehand with the computer is a challenge. It can be a challenge sometimes. So I'm going to draw this. I'm going to insert this. I'm going to choose the line I want to put there. So this is the line right there. Okay. Okay. Now I can put my box plot. I can put my box here. Okay. It's right here. Okay. Now I can put Q1 is 29. 29 should be around here. See? So I'm going to move it to that place. 29, very close to 30. And I'm going to call it 9 is the Q1. And Q2 is 33. So I'm going to put this right here, 33. So this 30, 35, 33 should be around in this neighborhood. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put right here. All right. 33. And of course, the Q3 is 42. This is 40, 45, 42 should be around here. I'm going to pick this graph line. So it's going to be 42. Oh, I don't even need to pick a line. All I have to do is adjust it to 42. So I'm going to put from here. Okay, I'm going to adjust it to 42. Okay. Now that's the box plot right there. So let me adjust this a little bit. Okay. Now, then we have to show this is 42. Sorry, excuse me, 42. Now I have to show the whiskers. In that case, whiskers should be where you have the lowest minimum value is 23, which is 25 here, 23 should be around here. Well, okay, let me see. 23. The maximum should be 42. I'm sorry, 51. So you can see right here. The 51 right there. So if it says 50 here. So that gets all the way to 51. So I'm going to use the line to join this whiskers. So I'm going to have them here. Okay, and I'll do the same for this. Okay, that's a box plot right there. So this is the 5-number summary. It's a box plot. Now this box plot, consider this place is stretched more than this side. So we can say that this data set is skewed to the right, stuff like that. So that's about it. That's really what it means by this question to identify the 5-number summary and construct a box plot. So we have identified through our calculations the 5-number summary, and also we have drawn our box plot. I hope you enjoyed my lecture today. And one more time, let me wish you a happy and prosperous new year. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in my next lecture. Bye-bye.